Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about the advantages of JavaScript programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Advantages of JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the most widely used programming languages, offers several advantages that contribute to its popularity and versatility. Here are some of the key advantages of JavaScript. Number one, versatility. JavaScript is a versatile language that can be used for both client-side and server-side development. It is the primary language for web development and runs on virtually every browser, making it accessible across different platforms. Number two, ease of use. JavaScript has a relatively simple and intuitive syntax, making it easier to learn and write code compared to other languages. It offers a wide range of built-in functions and libraries, enabling developers to achieve complex tasks with less effort. Number three, interactivity. JavaScript is primarily known for its ability to create dynamic and interactive web pages. It allows developers to manipulate web page elements, respond to user actions, and create engaging user interfaces. This interactivity enhances the overall user experience. Number five, extensibility. JavaScript is highly extensible thanks to its vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. Popular frameworks like React, Angular, and Vue.js enable developers to build complex web applications efficiently, saving time and effort. Number 5. Browser support. JavaScript is supported by all major web browsers including Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. This broad browser support ensures that JavaScript code runs consistently across different platforms, reaching a large audience. Number 6. Integration with other technologies. JavaScript can seamlessly integrate with other programming languages and technologies. It can be used alongside HTML and CSS for web development, and it can also be employed in back-end development using frameworks like Node.js. JavaScript's versatility allows developers to build end-to-end application using a single language. Number 7, rapid development and iteration. JavaScript promotes rapid development and iteration cycles. Its interpreted nature enables developers to quickly see the results of their code without the need for time-consuming compilation. This facilitates faster prototyping, debugging, and testing. Number 8, community and resources. JavaScript has a vibrant and extensive community of developers, which means there are abundant resources, tutorials, libraries, and frameworks available. Developers can find support, collaborate, and share knowledge with others, making it easier to overcome challenges and stay to date with the latest trends. Number 9, cross-platform development. With frameworks like React Native and Ionic, JavaScript allows for cross-platform development, enabling developers to build mobile applications that can run both iOS and Android platforms. This saves time and effort by utilizing a shared code base. Number 10, continuous evolution. JavaScript has been continuously evolving over the years. The language is regularly updated with the new features and improvements, ensuring that developers have access to modern tools and techniques. This adaptability helps JavaScript stay relevant and maintain its position as a dominant language in the industry. Overall, JavaScript's versatility, ease of use, interactivity, and extensive ecosystem make it a powerful language for web and application development, allowing developers to create dynamic and engaging experiences for users. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report about the advantages of JavaScript programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Thank you so much for your watching and support in my channel. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.